Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this Bluetooth beanie made by Eastpin. Now this is a $25 Bluetooth beanie that you can find on Amazon. Links will be in the description below. And basically what this is that it's a beanie that you wear for in winter, whatever, to keep your head warm. That also has a speaker built in, so you could use this thing to listen to your music and stuff while you're, I don't know, out playing in the snow or something like that. So I guess I'll just go ahead and hop right into it. So you can see here, here's the box, wireless beanie. On the side here, you know, volume addition or subtraction. So basically volume down or up. And you can listen to music, you could answer calls by the looks of it. It looks like it also has a microphone, so that's kind of cool. Comfort and warmth, and also good air permeability, so I guess it lets your head breathe, so you don't get sweaty and stuff like that. So up here we also have a label for the app, and then here you have the different colors, which normally they'd mark it, but mine's not marked. I believe it's black though, so yeah, it's black, so normally it'd be marked, but this one isn't. And then on the back here you can see I guess you could say specs and stuff like that, the standby time, stuff like that. So there it is. If you want to go and look at that, go and pause the video now. So there it is. So let's go ahead and hop right into this. So let's go ahead and open this up from the top here. And all right, so here it is. And yep, sure enough, it's a beanie. All right, so there it is. You can see here is our controls, pause, volume down, volume up. I believe the pause/play button is also a on/off button. So here it is. And then we also have a guarantee, a warranty, stuff like that. So there's that. And then also we have a charge cable, micro USB. There that is. And we also down here have a user manual telling you how to use it. So I guess what I'll go in and do now is turn this thing on and pair it to my phone and see how it sounds. All right, so I went ahead and put this thing on, and I went ahead and listened to the audio coming out of the speakers in this thing for a few minutes, and I'm actually quite surprised on how good the audio quality is coming from this. Now keep in mind it's not like an actual full-on speaker, so you can't use it as like a Bluetooth speaker or something like that. You're basically using this thing as earbuds. So number one, it's kind of like a hat, keeps your head warm. Obviously this is mainly meant to be used during winter, stuff like that. So number one, it's keeping your head warm, and then also you can listen to essentially your earbuds at the same time, I guess. This thing is, I'm quite surprised on how good it is. So that's pretty cool. Audio quality wise, it actually sounds surprisingly good. They actually sound like they're $25 earbuds, even though it's not really meant to be used as like an ear. Well, I guess it kind of is. It's meant to be used as a hat and a pair of earbuds, but again, it sounds like it's worth the price. So audio quality wise, again, pretty good. Bass, it's definitely there. It's not as good as AirPods, for example, but again, it's $25 and it's a hat at the same time, so it's pretty cool. And audio quality wise, it does sound pretty good. Now, one thing that I'm pretty sure they showed this in their listing on Amazon is that you can remove the speakers inside of here to, I would assume, wash the beanie. So obviously these things aren't water resistant, the speakers and stuff, so you'd have to take them out. So here's a little hole, and you pull the wire here, and the earbuds portion should pop out. I did this a minute ago, and then I popped it back in just for the sake of the video. Let's go ahead and pull it out here, because I wanted to pop this thing open and take a look at the speaker. Okay, so here it is. Here's a little pod with the wire. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and get a small flathead screwdriver here and pop this thing open. I really don't want to break it. There we are. Just be careful with it. about there. There we are. Okay, so, okay. We actually have a battery inside of here. Okay, that's kind of cool. So it's a 3.7 volt, 200 milliamp battery. And then here is the little speaker that they're using. I'm going to attempt to pop it out of here. Yeah, I could do that. And here is the speaker that they're using. So yeah, basically a headphone speaker, actually. So there it is. It is a proper speaker. So there it is. And again, this little thing here sounds oddly good. Like, I was setting my expectations kind of low because it's such a cheap price, and I'm very impressed. So definitely pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and try to pop this all back together. You know what? I'm going to go and stop the clip. Or actually, can I do it? Oh, I'm about there. There we are. Okay, so there it is, all back together. So I'm going to go ahead and fit this thing back in there. It does take just a few minutes to get it in there. So let me go and stop the clip and do that, and I'll be back with you guys in just a second. All right, so I went ahead and put the pod back in its place, and it does sound the exact same. So I didn't do any damage by doing that. So anyways, I guess I'll go and get my final opinions now. So overall, what do I think of this Bluetooth Beanie? I think this thing is actually pretty cool for the price. Now, keep in mind, it's $25, and you're essentially getting earbuds and a hat all in one. So it's kind of cool. Again, a pretty decently cheap price, I guess, for a Bluetooth Beanie. Kind of a weird item, but it is useful, and I guess it's an actual product. So pretty cool, again, for the price. Sound quality does sound pretty good. Comfortness, I guess, it's fine. Feels like a hat or a beanie if you've ever worn one. So definitely pretty cool, again, for the price. So if you're looking for a Bluetooth beanie, a Bluetooth hat, whatever you want to call it, I guess go ahead and pick this thing up, because it does exactly what it advertises, and it does it pretty well, in my opinion. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.